Hey guys, Brian, I'm going to show you how to change your cabin air filter. This is a Acura RDX, and it's got this little shelf here, and as you can see behind there, you've got the air filter compartment. So what this comes out, it just pops right out. That's a little shelf. It had the owner's manual on it. And this is a little door here. It has some finger holes. It pops down, and voila, there's the cover there for the cabin air filter. So this just pops right off, just kind of like this. And as you can see, if you look down, it says the airflow. Just note that, because that's how you're going to want to put it back in. You're going to want the arrows pointing the same way, and the arrows are going to be pointing down here, and we just want to replace it. And you just go ahead and pull it out here, and it should come all the way out, and we'll take a look at it. And this one doesn't look too bad. You can still see the crevices, so we'll go ahead and just put this one back in, but obviously you can just put a new one in if it's really dirty. If you can't see the crevices well, if you can see a lot of gunk and leaves and stuff in there, you're going to want to replace them. So this just slides back in, and again, just make sure the airflow arrows are pointing down the same way you got it back out, because that's the correct airflow there. So this, you just push this back in all the way, kind of the reverse process here. The cover goes back on, it will clip back in here. And sometimes you'll have to take off the actual glove compartment door. And if you need to do that, there's usually two little buttons on the side. You can just push and it'll come down. And you just push the door back on here. It should click back like that. And then in this model here, we'll just go ahead and put the shelf back on. That should click back on here. And that was pretty easy there. So hope this video helped out, guys, and check out this next vid.